little after 7 here in Samoa. I am the executive director of an organization that has a Samoan name. It's called Faataua Le Ola, which means value life. We started, well, we started into the year 2000, and this was a call from the Samoan community led by our then Minister of Health for Samoa to look at the issue of suicide. Because in the 1900s, let's say the late 1900s, 1995, there was an escalation of suicides in Samoa. And we averaged anything from 45 to 65 suicides per annum. And that is extremely high for Samoa because at that point, our population was only 170,000. So it was a very concerning issue that we had to address. So the Minister of Health called a meeting, and Faataua Le Ola came into existence in the year 2000. And in the year 2002, we joined Lifeline International. So Faataua Le Ola, Samoa Lifeline, which is what our lifeline is called, has been working towards suicide awareness, suicide prevention since the year 2002. We have a board that oversees our work, and myself, I'm a second in line to the executive director who we initially put in there to start off the organization. But I myself was a founding member. So yes, we've been ongoing since the year 2000. So we have outreach programs into the villages, into our community for suicide awareness, suicide prevention. And we're targeting, for the last 3 years, we've been targeting the youth of Samoa because our suicide stats show that it's the youth that are very vulnerable. And so we have these outreach programs, and we have our lifeline, which is Samoa Lifeline, which is 24/7. Unfortunately, we don't have a call center. So any calls that come in after hours, which is, we close our office at 5, we open at 8 and we close at 5. Any calls that come in after that are diverted to a mobile phone, and our counselors take turns to monitor the phone. So we take our phone home. We don't have a call center as such. So we focus mainly on suicide awareness and suicide prevention. Our main focus is our Samoa Lifeline, our lifeline taking and receiving calls and then helping people through their issues. So
Thank
that's
you so much.
basically what we do. Thank you.
Thank you, Caroline.
Thank you.
And then next we have